Hello class, how are you today? I'm your English teacher, Teacher JR, in English for Matatag Curriculum, Quarter 1. Our learning objectives for today are the following. Number 1, identify the parts of the friendly letter. Second, write a friendly letter. Have you experienced receiving a letter from your friend? How do you feel? Is it good? Do you feel happy? All right then. So what is friendly letter, class? So when we say friendly letter, it's a type of informal letter written to someone you know well, such as a friend, family member, or classmate. It is used to share personal news, express feelings, ask questions, or simply stay in touch. Friendly letters are written in casual and in a more relaxed tone. So today class, we are going to discuss the 5 parts of the friendly letter. Number 1 is heading. So heading is where the date is written, usually at the top right corner of the letter. It helps the recipient know when the letter was written. For some, they include the address of the sender. But for here class, we are going to focus ourselves with the heading which have the date. So remember, heading, you can see there when was the letter written. Example, September 2, 2024. Second parts of the friendly letter is a greeting. So what is greeting? The greeting is how you start your letter. It usually begins with dear, followed by the name of the person you're writing to, and then a comma. Example, Dear Maria. And the third part of the friendly letter is the body of the letter. The body is the main part of the letter where you write your message. This could include sharing news, asking questions, or expressing feelings. It's typically organized into one or more short paragraphs. Example, I hope you are having a great day. I wanted to tell you about the fun weekend I had. We went to the park and played games all day. What did you do this weekend? And the fourth part of the friendly letter class is closing. The closing is a short, polite way to end your letter. Common closings include sincerely, your friend, or best wishes, followed by a comma. Example, your friend. And the last parts of the friendly letter class is signature. The signature is where you sign your name at the end of the letter. If the letter is typed, the student would simply write their name. Example, Juan. Okay class, take a look at the format in making a friendly letter. This is an example of a friendly letter which has 5 parts. We have the first one, the heading. The second one is the greeting, the body, closing, and of course, the signature. I want you to observe, class, how this friendly letter is written. I want you to observe the spacing from left to right. As you can see, the margin in the left is smaller compared to the margins in the right. And of course, there is also spacing. So these are the important things you need to consider when you are writing your friendly letter. So, as I've said a while ago, heading, for some, they put their address, the address of the sender. But here in this particular friendly letter, you just need to write the date when you have written your friendly letter. Okay? So it's on the center line. So after the heading, there should be a space line or skip line before the greeting. And after the name of the one you are writing, example, Dear Maria, there should be a comma in the greeting. Of course, the body, as you can see here, you should indent the first sentence of the paragraph, as you can see there, being uh, illustrated by the arrow. Okay? So I am having a great time at the camp. Yesterday, I went frog hunting and fell in the lake. I will see you in 12 days. That's the body. And then the second paragraph, the first sentence is also indented. What have you been up to this summer? I hope you are having fun. I can't wait to go to the swimming pool with you. Write back if you can. So after that, body, there should be a space or a skip line before the closing. And as you can see, the line at the center, the line, it should be aligned, the heading should be aligned with the closing and of course with the signature. So this is a perfect example of a friendly letter when you're gonna compose, class. So you just bear in mind how this friendly letter is written with its 5 parts: heading, greeting, body, closing, and signature, and of course, the way the spacing is observed, of course, the margins from left to right. Okay, let's take a look at the another example. So the same. So of course, there is a heading, there is a greeting, a way to begin the letter, and there is also a body, which is the personal message of the friendly letter, and of course, the closing, which is a way to end the letter, and the signature. The writer signs his or her name. Now, I want you to answer this activity as being flashed in our screen. So I want you to understand the question carefully, and I want you to write your answer in your notebook, the letter of the correct answer in your notebook. This is all about the parts of the friendly letter. Okay, let's begin. Number one. What is the first part of a friendly letter called where you write the date? So is that a greeting? Is that a heading or closing? So you have 5 seconds to answer. Write your answer in your notebook. All right, the correct answer is letter B. That is heading. Number 2. In which part of a friendly letter do you write dear and the name? Letter A, is that a body? Letter B, signature. And letter C, greeting. Okay, the correct answer is letter C, greeting. Number 3, what is the main part of the letter called where you write your message? Letter A, heading. Letter B, body. Letter C, closing. Alright, the correct answer is letter B, that is the body of the letter. Number 4, which part of the letter comes right before your name at the end? Letter A, closing. Letter B, greeting. And letter C, heading. Okay, the correct answer is letter A, that is closing. Last number, why do we write friendly letters? What's the reason behind? Letter A, to share news and feelings with someone we know. Letter B, to complain about something. Letter C, to write a report for school. Okay, the correct answer is letter A, to share news and feelings with someone we know. Okay, let's have another activity. I want you to arrange the following parts of the friendly letter in your notebook. A while ago, we discussed the parts of the letters and how we write it correctly. So I want you to arrange this in proper order. These are the 5 parts of a friendly letter. This is a friendly letter with its 5 parts. This is a completed part of a friendly letter. And what I want you to do is to arrange this in proper order from heading to signature. Okay? I'll be giving you 5 minutes or 10 minutes to do this in your notebook. Okay? So you can pause the video and later on you can take a look at the correct answer. Okay? Timer starts now. Okay, this is the correct answer, class. This is the format of the friendly letter. Okay, just comment down below if you follow or if you learned something about writing a friendly letter. And you can comment your score in the previous activity, the 1 to 5, and the second activity you can write if you follow the lessons about friendly letter. Okay, that's our lesson for today. Thank you and God bless. This is your teacher in English, Teacher JR.